So welcome back, friends. We are still on our roll-up banner design in Adobe Illustrator, right? So let me see what we can do again in this banner to make it look more professional. Is to go back to our tools bar again and select pen tools again. So we still need to do some stuff at the top here. So I'll make some parts like this. Let me follow this this shape here. Then I'll press shift key on my keyboard straight to the top. Then I'll close the part here. So I will select my eye color dropper now. Then I'll pick this green here, something like this. Then I will still make use of my pen tools again. Where is it? Okay, pen tools. Then I'll add another anchor point here. Then like this. Now close it here and here. So my eye color dropper, I'll pick this green now. Alright, so at this point now, the next thing I'm going to do is to start to input text into the banner. So I'll go to my tools bar again. I will select my type tools. So at the top here, I can put my brand name here, which is Excel graphics, then and multimedia. I'll press Ctrl A to highlight. Then I'll come here to change the font type. So I'll make use of this font here. Then I will change from regular to bold. I will increase the font size to, let's see, 48, if that's not too much. So we can still increase to 60. Okay, so I will select the bottom type of the text. Then I will go back to the font type. Then I will change this to, let me see, light. Then I will apply the color here to be this green color here. So I will position this to the top like this, something like this. So that is that. Right, so we need some icons, right? So what I will do is that I will go to file again, then open. So I have to look for icon file. I'm going to use this one. Then I'll click on open. I'll click on yes. All right, so I need this computer icon here. So I can press Ctrl C on my keyboard. Then I'll go back to my banner layer. I'll press Ctrl V to paste. So I'll press Ctrl plus to zoom out the entire shape. So So I need to go back to my toolbar again and select circle. I will right click on the polygon now and choose circle. So I will make a perfect circle. So I'll duplicate this in 3 places. So I'll press down Alt key on my keyboard and drag to make a duplicate. So 293.89. So 293.89. Okay, so I will apply the color fill. This one can go with this green. So I will select on this. Then my eye color dropper, this one can go with this green. So I will select the third one, and my eye color dropper again, this one can go with this green here. So I'll press shift key and select the second circle, shift key and select the third circle. Then I'll go to my home tab. I'll click on object, then group. So having group, then I will go to my alignment panel. From the home tab here, I will align to align horizontal center, align vertical center. Okay, let me drag it. Press Control plus 0. So in this case, I need to make a large rectangle. So I'll go back to my toolbar. I will right click and select rectangle. Then I will make sure from the home tab here, no fill. Then stroke color, I will apply black. Then I will draw all over the shape down to this edge. I will draw down like this. Okay. So now I can make a use of alignment panel. Now I'll press shift key 9. I will select the circle. Then from the home tab here, I will bring out my alignment panel. Then I will align horizontal center. Then I will go to home tab again, object. I will click on group. Then I can drag it to the center of the shape like this. So I can go back to object again, on group. So I can press Control plus now, Control plus. So I need to make use of this icon now. I'll drag it and place it here. So I have to resize by press shift key, alternative key, then drag to resize this icon. So right click, arrange, then bring to front. So I'll change the color to white from the home tab here. So to Z, Control plus, Control plus. So I can select the icon now, the circle, and I'll go to object or group. So I will select this icon, I'll press shift key and select the circle. Then I'll go to my home tab here, open up alignment panel. I will align to the center and like this. So everything has been done. So I'll go to object now, then I will group. So I'll press shift key and select the second one here. I'll go back to alignment panel. I'll make sure that everything is aligned to align vertical, align horizontal center. Control Z should be align vertical, something like this. So now we need to go back to my icon and pick another icon. So I will need this call icon also. Control Z. Let me pick everything once and for all. So I think I will need this icon also. Control Z. So let me select this. I'll press Control Z. Then I go back to banner layer, Control V. So I will resize, shift key and alternative key to resize this. So I'll go to my home tab and change the color to white. So that's that. Then I will select this. So I have to group this together now. Shift key and select the lemon green shape. And I'll go to home tab here, object and group. So I'll press shift key and select this light green. Then my alignment panel, I'll make sure that I align to vertical center, something like this. So we can pick on the last green one here. So I'll go back to my icons, then I can pick on this, Control Z, and I'll go back to my banner layout. I'll press Control V, so I can take it to where I need it. And I have to change the color to white. Good. So I'll press shift key and select the shape. Then I will open my alignment panel. I will align it so I'll make sure that I go to object, then group, shift key and select this alignment panel and make sure that this is very much aligned. Then I'll go back to object, group, and I'll select this alignment panel. I'll make sure that everything is aligned to align vertical center. So we are done with this. So the next thing is to start to type. So I'll go back to my type tools again. So the subject heading for this will be studio work. So I'll press Ctrl A to highlight everything, and I will increase the font size, let's say 72. taking it to 70. Okay, 80. So I will select the studio, shift key, and take it like this. Then I will change the font style to bold. Then I will change the color to this type of green here. Then I will take it to the center. Now I have to press shift key and select the shape. Shift key and make sure I group everything. I'll go to object, group. Then I'll press shift key and select the studio work. Then have to centralize to alignment vertical, Ctrl Z. Should be alignment horizontal center. So that's that. And the studio work can just be taken down a little bit. Right. So we can go back to I can go back to my text tools again. So this place can be for computer, okay, this can be graphics design, I'll press Ctrl A to highlight. Then I will change the font style to medium. I will reduce the font size to 12. So let me see 14. Let me see 18. I will change the color. Okay, let me leave it in black. So I will take this down here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring my text from MS Word.